Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is a Botswana YouTubers holiday collab type of video. That was a long title, but yeah, and I'm super excited for this video because it's my first collab and I'm just really excited about it. But yeah, it's a collab between YouTubers from Botswana. In case you don't know, I am from Botswana. I'm originally from Botswana, I'm just studying in Canada. So it's really amazing to collaborate with a bunch of other Botswana YouTubers. I'll leave links to their channels in the description box below, and please do check them out because they are really amazing people and they deserve your support. So just head over to their channels and see all the kind of videos that they have. We're all really different in our styles of YouTubing, if that's even a word. So I'm sure you're gonna all enjoy it. Enjoy them. So yeah, please do check them out. So my video today, as we all know, it is the holiday season and there's a lot that happens throughout the season. So I wanted to make a video that just gives you like 3 major tips centered around being responsible this holiday season. So tip number 1 is about overspending. Between the end of November and the first week of the new year, we tend to spend quite a lot of money. So it's really important that you have a budget. Create a budget for yourself and make sure to save money. Save as much money as you can because you don't want to find yourself in a situation at the beginning of the new year where you are unable to pay your bills, you are unable to fend for yourself because you've just splurged too much over the festive season. When it comes to gift giving, I know I myself am guilty of this. I like to make people feel really happy and I like to buy really nice gifts for people. But if you cannot afford it, you can't afford it. So spend within your means. Don't feel bad if you can't afford to buy someone a certain kind of gift that's like, you know, all like hoo-ha and stuff. Spend within your means. Have a budget and save because you will thank yourself at the beginning of next year when you look into your bank account and you're like, oh my gosh, I actually have money for the new year. Another thing with overspending is avoid using your credit card. Spend only the cash that you have. Pay for everything with cash because you don't want to find yourself in a situation where you now have a lot of debt to pay off once the festive season is over. So make sure that you again pay with cash. Don't use your credit card unless you really need to. Okay, now my second tip is about drinking. I know there are a lot of people who indulge and I cannot stress this enough. Please drink responsibly. Don't just be on some, hey, it's the festive season, I'm feeling the Christmas spirit and so I'm just gonna drink because I've had a rough year or something, or I deserve it. It's okay to have a few drinks, you know, a few drinks with your friends, with your family, you know, to just celebrate, but drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. You don't want to end the year on a sour note, having had a car accident, God forbid. Really, there's so many crazy people out on the road around this time and you don't want to hurt yourself and you don't want to hurt other people. So just drink responsibly and also just like, come on, if you're gonna get stupid drunk, you're not gonna remember all the memories that you made throughout that festive season. So drink responsibly, take care of yourself and think about your loved ones before you decide to get behind the wheel after drinking. Make sure that if you're out with friends and you decide to have a few drinks, make sure that there's someone within your group who is able to take over from the driving, and will get you home safely. Another thing that is related to drinking responsibly and just being responsible is if you know that you're gonna have a few drinks, a lot more drinks than you would normally have, make sure to just leave your car at home. Call a cab instead and get yourself home. But please, please, please be safe. Be safe, because there's some people out there who are like really crazy and often will take advantage of the fact that you're drunk and will steal from you or will do the nasty with you. If you're a lady, you know what I mean by that. So take care of yourself. Be mindful of everything that you do. Again, you don't want to start off the new year with bad memories from the festive season. My third tip, and I don't know if this really is a tip, but it's something that for me, having been away from home on Christmas for 3 Christmases now, I found that it's very, very, very important. Spend as much time as you can with your friends and family. Tell your loved ones that you love them. Show them that you love them. Show them that you care. Be grateful for them, because anything can happen, anything can happen. So spend time with them and just be thankful throughout this festive season and just show your loved ones some love. And if you can't, for whatever reason, be with them this season, give them a call, send them a text, just keep in touch with them, because this is a time when you're at the end of the year, and it's a time to just be very thankful, because not many people unfortunately have gotten through this entire year. So it's very important to be thankful. Be thankful for your life, be thankful for the lives of those that you love, and just just have fun, with your family, with your friends. So yeah, those are my little tips for you guys. I do hope that you guys have an amazing festive season. Happy holidays to everyone. Don't forget to check out my fellow BOTSTUBERS YouTube channels. Again, the links are in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment below and let me know how you're spending Christmas. Or if you don't celebrate Christmas, how are you spending this festive season? And what do you like most about this time of the year? And please don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate that, so that you get more videos like this and you become a part of the Stallion Nation. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.